Out tonight, frustrated. The young man she says sexually assaulted and harassed her teenage daughter will be back in school tomorrow. She says that he was suspended after the incident, but as News Channel 3's Amanda Barron explains, she says that's not enough.
This mom says she's concealing her identity because what's happened to her daughter is already traumatic enough.
He said some very inappropriate things to her. He grabbed her breast.
He is a teenage student at Milton Middle School who was suspended for 3 days. When this mom expressed her concerns with that suspension, it was changed to 10. The most severe punishment in this case, short of expulsion.
Because I don't feel it was handled appropriately. I'd like the boy to not be in school with her anymore.
The family has filed criminal charges alleging sexual assault and is in the process of getting a restraining order.
But a piece of paper doesn't keep him out of school.
Todd Alexander with the Calvo County School says at this point the district has done as much as it possibly can.
There are processes in place and there's state and federal guidelines that we have to follow. You know, we'll do everything on our end to make sure that nothing like this happens again from this particular student. And of course there's preventative measures for all students, but we'll try to make sure that this is the last time that this happens.
It's very frustrating to me because I feel like they're sending a message to other boys that, hey, this isn't a big deal.
I think it's just very important that students understand that they do need to come forward when anything like this happens so that the school can respond.
But this mom fears what's happened here will only silence other victims. Amanda Barron, WSAZ News Channel 3.
Because the boy accused in this is a teenager, it's difficult to get information. The family says they've filed charges with the Milton Police Department. We've called twice to follow up, but still have not been able to speak with anyone at the department.